Hey, what's up guys? तो क्या हाल है? So first of all, thank you everyone for showing so much of love and support, and now we have finally crossed 300 subscribers. And for those who have not subscribed yet, then please subscribe to the channel because 90%, more than 90% of you haven't subscribed to the channel yet guys. So please do subscribe to the channel. So let's keep this video very short and simple, and this is how the bike looks before the modification. And I'll just try to keep this video as short as possible so that as many people as can see this video. And here is a short cinematic. Okay, so the reason why I bought this mirror is because I can move this mirror in either direction or any directions. Either I can put it upwards or downwards or sideways or diagonally. And this mirror is actually very small. It actually fits in my palm. And the link for the mirror will be in description, and it actually costed me around 700 rupees, and you can buy the product from the description. And that's it for this video guys. So let's meet in the next one. Happy riding. Peace guys.